Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing tools and clearing distractions. First, connect your phone to the home Wi-Fi and open a network scanner app. This reveals active devices on the LAN. Once done, run a quick Bluetooth and Wi-Fi scan to spot cameras broadcasting their SSID or service names. Make sure to record unknown MAC addresses and recognize manufacturer prefixes. This helps separate smart bulbs and routers from potential cameras. Keep a flashlight ready to inspect dark corners while apps run in the background. You now combine technical scans with a focused physical sweep. Run a port scan on discovered IPs. Cameras often expose web ports or RTSP. Try accessing an HTTP interface or streaming endpoint to confirm. Simultaneously, perform a systematic room search. Check high corners, vents, light fixtures, smoke alarms, clocks, and mirrors. Make sure to look for tiny glass lenses or LED glows. Use a flashlight at low angles to catch reflections. If available, use a thermal or you finish by verifying suspected devices and securing your space. Attempt to access each device's web interface or mobile app using the found IP. A camera will show live feed or settings. Confirm, then disable or physically cover it. Once done, change the Wi-Fi password, update router firmware, and reboot to force devices offline. Make sure to enable WPA2/WPA3 and device isolation. If a hidden camera cannot be removed or is clearly malicious, document serials and images, preserve evidence, and contact law enforcement for next steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.